Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't restart. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone just started acting up and was frozen on the app. I've tried restarting my phone with the power button, but it cannot shut down and stays unresponsive to touch. Sometimes it lets me tap the restart and turn it off. However, it takes too much time to start, which seems like my Android phone won't reboot. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic, as restart not working on Android phone issues could happen to anyone. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. You press the wrong button. The solution here is to follow the correct procedure to restart an Android phone again. Press and hold the power button correctly. Some users might make a mistake. When the power off screen appears, tap the restart icon. If prompted, confirm to restart the Android device. The screen will turn black and the phone brand logo will appear. After a few seconds, you should find Android phone reboots successfully. Cause 2. The screen is unresponsive to touch. The solution here is to force restart your Android phone. Android phone screen won't restart if it doesn't detect your touch or tap on the display. Doing a forced restart only requires you to press some buttons to turn off the device and then turn it back on. Here's how to do that when a restart doesn't work on an Android phone. In a Samsung Galaxy, Vivo and Oppo phone, press and hold both the power button and volume down button correctly until the device restarts. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold both the power button until the device restarts. In a OnePlus, Xiaomi and Huawei phone, press and hold both the power button and volume up button correctly until the device restarts. Cause 3. Android phone battery almost runs out of power. The solution here is to charge the Android phone and try restarting again. One can't restart an Android phone if the device has little power. Use the charging cable that came with your Android phone in the beginning to charge your Android phone. It's a good move to verify if the cable, charger, outlet, and charging port on Android phone are working well for a stable charging experience. Let the battery charge for at least 1 hour. Then, press the power button correctly to reboot your Android phone and see if the restart works this time. Cause 4. External devices interfere with the restart. The solution here is to unplug everything on the device. Carefully remove speakers, headphones, SD cards, USB devices, or other peripherals connected to your phone. They could cause conflicts and stop your Android phone from restarting properly. Once your phone is clean, do a restart on the Android phone again to see if the reboot issue is fixed. Cause 5. The power button doesn't work. The solution here is to remove the battery. An Android phone will not reboot if the power button is stuck, as it fails to deliver the restart or shut down command to the device software. The phone will not let you restart the system in this way. If your Android phone has a removable battery, try pulling out the back cover of the device and taking out the battery carefully. Wait for 1 minute and put the battery back in. Then, press the power button to turn on the device and you've done rebooting an Android smartphone. Cause 6. Your Android phone has a serious system issue. The solution here is to factory reset your Android device in recovery mode. A simple restart is just able to troubleshoot some minor system bugs and errors. If you can't reboot an Android phone, or Android phone restart doesn't work to solve the frozen or unresponsive screen problems, it often indicates that the problem is more serious. Fret not. Putting your phone into recovery mode and performing a reset is worth a try to remedy the issues. Here's what to do. Make sure the Android phone is turned off. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. Then, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. If the issue is related to the software system, it should be handled completely right after the reset is done. You don't need to restart the device and just set up the phone to use it again. Cause 7. There might be a hardware failure. The solution here is to take the phone to your nearby repair shop. You've exhausted all you can do on your own to fix an Android phone that won't restart and is frozen. If the issue remains, go examine and repair the device components. If the repair fee is too expensive, consider buying a new phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone that doesn't restart, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.